welcome back to my channel. I'm Adaobi Cynthiaa, and if this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope you stay. But today I'll be showing a simple tutorial on how to get your eyebrows done. Keep watching. First, I'll start by clipping my hair backwards. I clip my hair backwards so it wouldn't get in the way of my makeup. For this, you'll need a powder, and for today I'll be using this one by Benai. Don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is what it looks like. You need a concealer brush and an eyebrow pencil. Any concealer brush and an eyebrow pencil is fine. And lastly, you need your concealer. And for today, I'll be using the one by Makeup Revolution. Also, you need a beauty sponge or a beauty blender. I start off with my powder and I take a little bit, just a little bit, like that. And don't forget to dust off the excess as well. And I use this on my brows because my face is oily, and so are my brows. Gonna do this all over my brows, so that when I draw them, they will stay for a long time. And afterwards, I clean it out, just like that. Now I go in with a spoolie, which I use to brush my brows. After brushing your brows, then you take the eyebrow pencil and draw the shape of the brows you want. And I want them to look really natural today, so I'll go with the shape of my natural brows, depending on what you want. You want to make the strokes really light. Following your natural arc is the easiest thing to do in order to get the perfect brows. Afterwards, I'll do the same thing on my other brow. And for underneath my brows, I don't go from here, I go from here. It's something you want to keep in mind if you really want that natural look. Just like that, I'm done. Now I go back with the spoolie and brush everything out in order to take away the harsh lines and make it look soft. Just like that. And I did the same thing on the other brow. Now my eyebrows are done. I'll go in with my concealer and clean everything out. Depending on how I'm feeling, I can decide to go just underneath my brows in my concealer, or both ways, like on top and underneath. And for today, I'll be going both ways because I want my brows to look really, really clean. So I put a little bit of concealer on my hand, on the back of my hand. And this is by Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, and my shade is C14. I use C14 because it's the perfect shade of my skin, and I don't want my brows to look too highlighted, so I go in with this smooth, soft shade, which is my skin color. You see how it blends out. And I go gently underneath my brows, just like that. You won't even see it because it's really my skin tone, so, and I love it this way. Depending on what you want, go with whichever one that works for you. that, I'm done with underneath my brows. Nothing too much. And I'll do the same thing on the other brow. I love natural looking brows because I like keeping it natural. Nothing. I don't like changing any features. And now I'll take a little and I go above my brows. And while going above your brows, you want it to be as close to your skin tone as possible, so that when you apply your foundation, everything blends out seamlessly, so you don't see the harsh line there demarcating your brows, your concealer and your foundation. You do not want that, trust me. This is my first time using this concealer and I love it. I saw so many people recommending it, so I decided to go out and get it. And it's really nice. It blends out really well as well. In case you're looking for a good concealer, you might want to try this one. And I did the same thing on my other brows as well. Right there. Oops. That's strand. Just like that. Clean everything out and to look natural. Making sure that everything is blended out nicely. After I'm done with the concealer, I go back with my spoolie and smoothing my brows. Voila, there you have it. Nice natural looking brows. Now go ahead and do the rest of my face and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if it helped you, comment below and tell me if you try this out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next. Bye.